Maybe we should take the towels down or something. It's kind of a. Hope it's clean enough.
It's perfect.
Here.
Oh, it's warm.
Isn't it nice?
It's warm in here.
Yeah, I've got it 29. It sits at 30 degrees at night.
Yeah, once you go heated floors, it's hard to go back, isn't it?
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Now we're gonna be like Robbie.
All right, I'm gonna put you guys on the spot. I'm gonna ask you guys what your experience has been with Paramount so far, and at least in this home, you're moving to a new one, so I want to capture you in your original Paramount project.
Exactly, right?
Before we move onwards, so care to share your experience?
Well, you know, we had a kind of a tight deadline because we had the summer and only 4 or 5 weeks that we could vacate the home to get the work done. And Paramount did a really good job of getting everything done on time, executing the scope perfectly, and within budget. And we liked what you did here so much. We're having you redo pretty much a whole home for us.
Yes.
So we're looking forward to that project, but really love it here. It's kind of sad to leave this bathroom, really, because I mean, I just love it that much that you're gonna have to recreate the same thing at the new place.
And you weren't planning on moving when you did this renovation?
No, absolutely not. I would not have put in a bathroom like this and moved away from it. So.
Any favorite features of the bathroom?
Oh, we love the double sink.
Yeah.
The double sink.
And really, this is the money
Yeah,
here.
this is our
I
favorite.
mean, that tile. I mean, that tile just
The
pops
color
through.
is so nice.
That's kind of a, yeah. That's a great accent piece, but really everything here is very solid.
Everything's great.
So
Very happy.
would you feel safe recommending this careless company to your friends and family?
Absolutely. Already have.
Fantastic. Well, thank you guys.
Thank you.